Okay, let's start with a controversial moment. This was typical South African officiating, mate. And when you moan about our goal, don't forget to mention that we should have gotten a penalty in the first half. Thabo Mlisane put his hands on Ashley Dupree's face. Torre should have been booked for that deliberate handball. And he should have been sent off for hitting Sereno in the face. So please, when you moan about our goal, don't forget to mention that. So let's get into the game. This has been our story this season. Start the game really well, get an early goal, keep on creating chances and not converting. The most dangerous thing about keeping the scoreline 1-0 for a very long time, the opponent will always feel like they can get back to the game. We started the game really well, dominated that midfield with Cele, Ngobo and Sereno. And many were worried about that trio in terms of defending. But then I always knew Stellenbosch were never going to be dangerous in the middle of the park. They were always going to play on the channels. Although I feel like we didn't create enough. Ashley Dupree didn't have much to do. If we want to get the best out of Ashley Dupree, play the ball in behind. We did that. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo played a pass. I think we did that twice in the first half with Ngcobo and Sereno. He couldn't finish. Second half, we lost control of the game, especially in that midfield. Nabi saw that and decided to bring in Yusuf Maat to sit alongside Thabo Cele and push Nkosingiphile Ngcobo to the number 10 position. I think that's where Ngcobo got lost. I think we defended really well, although we gave away too many set pieces. We even conceded from one. I think Miguel should have done better there. He should have gone tight to De Jong. So let's get to player ratings. Bruce Vuma. I think what I liked about him today is how he dealt with the crosses. He was owning his box, coming and punching the ball. I'm going to give him a 6. Riff Rosler played really well today. I'll give him a 6 also. Yet another stellar performance from Dove. I'll give him a 6. Miguel with the goal, give him a 6.5. I'm going to give him Simango a 6. Yet another great performance from him. Cele won the man of the match, of course. Another brilliant, dominant performance from him. Going to give him an 8. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo played in moments, to be honest, but it was a good game. Going to give him a 6. Gaston Sereno also going to give him a 6. Jody Lilepo was off today. I have to be honest. I'm going to give him a 5.5. Modi scored the second goal. Going to give him a 6.5. I'm going to give Ashley Dupree a 6. The substitutes, Yusuf Maat, I'm going to give him a 6. Maat had a good game, to be fair. I'm going to give Matlo a 5.5. I'm going to give Mtutuzi Shabalala a 5. Going to give Solomons a 5 also. I'm going to give Mfundo Vilakazi a 5.5. To be honest, didn't have much to do in the match. He played only one diagonal pass and that goal. Oh, and I'm going to give Nabi a 6.5. What I liked from him today is that his lineup was attack-minded. He played only ball players in the middle of the park. So he was going for it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.